My mom found part of my goon collection inside my old keyboard, so she made me get a completely clear one, hoping my room will smell better sometime soon. This is the Yunzi X71. It comes in at around $100, but I just hit 50 followers on Twitch, and my mom just got a child support check, so I figured why not splurge a little bit. They gave me a Chinese and English manual, but one piece has taught me all there is to know, so we won't need the other one. Here's a couple of keycaps that definitely won't help in Valorant. It comes with a tongue scraper. That's a joke, by the way. And a charging cable. This thing is heavy, which is kind of a good thing because I've been trying to train my forearms and get a bunch of veins. I've usually had my gamer subs by now, so my hands are a little sweaty, but sorry for the prolonged unboxing. It does come with a dust cover, which is nice, but my PC seems to filter my air quite a bit, so I won't be needing that. It's Bluetooth compatible with just about everything, so if you want to look really cool using your Chromebook at school, then give this a shot. But you can connect it with a cable. Not that one. My friend Dalton told me a funny joke the other week. He said that the G in RGB, the G stands for goon. And then, like, after a second, he was like, it was funnier because he was like, the R stands for Chungus. And everybody was laughing. These light bars on the side are cool because I thought that my Friday Night Funkin' mouse pad needed a little more attention. Okay, shut everything down.